Fox 17 meteorologists often talk about pressure change. And in this week's weather lesson, our own Candace Monticelli came up with an experiment to demonstrate exactly how it works using things that kids and their parents can find at home.
Well, in this week's Weather Kid, we're at Bentheim Elementary, third grade class, and we're about to learn about pressure. We have our safety goggles on, ready to go, as we are going to try and make a can get crushed with science. So what you need for this experiment, you need your safety goggles, you need kitchen tongs, an empty pop can, and then hot boiling water in a saucepan on your stovetop, in our case, a hot plate, and then an ice bath. So we are going to learn about pressure. We hear about pressure a lot with weather. So what we did is we took an empty can, we filled it with about a tablespoonful of water, and we put it in this boiling saucepan to get that water really, really hot, really, really warm. So what that water inside that can is doing, it's taking all that normal air, it's getting it on out of there, and it's making that water evaporate and putting water vapor in this can. So as it does that, all that normal air is escaping out of here and getting replaced with that water vapor. So now we're gonna go from hot to cold. What do you think it's gonna do? Yes, gonna crush that can. So we're gonna try to do a science. So what happens is when we dunk it from hot to cold, it's going to suddenly cool. It's gonna make a partial vacuum, and it's gonna crush that can together when all that water vapor gets condensed down. So we're gonna see if it works. Are you ready for it? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, there it goes. It got crushed. It was silent, but it got crushed. So it crushed that can just by making that little partial vacuum and pulling it together. And it's because the pressure on the outside of the can, it's greater than the pressure on the inside of the can. And the can's just not able to withstand that pressure, so it crushes it. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Neat. Very good. Super fun to learn a little different way about pressure. So that was this week's Weather Kid at Bentheim Elementary, third grade. Yeah. For now, I'm Candace Monticelli, Fox 17 News.
Thank you, Candace. And you can find all of Fox 17's Weather Kids experiments right now on fox17online.com. Next.